now that we have all these sweet columns with different widths and stuff, we just need to apply them down here. So instead of what we have currently, we just need to change it. So I'm just going to take out the COL-4. So I'm on the first one that's around the H1 there. And we're just going to do COL-8-S and then space COL-6-M and then COL-4-L. Like that. Okay, so basically it's got 3 classes attached to it. It's got one for when it's small, it's got one for when it's medium size, and it's got one for when it's large. So when it's small, this about cone will take up 8. It'll take up 2/3. And then when it's medium, it'll take up half of the width. And then when it's large, it'll only take up a third. Okay, I guess it's 2/3, right? It's 12. Whatever, you get the idea. I don't remember what I said earlier, but yeah. So we're going to kind of basically do the opposite right here. So this will be, oops, because it has to be opposites, right? Because in order for it to equal, so COL-4-S and then COL-6-M and then COL-8-L. Okay, and then down here, we're just going to, now you don't have to do all, you could just do 2. You could do, or you could just make it that it's always 6, or it's, you know what I mean? Like it'll all work regardless. It's just that I'm just trying to use the full width or the full breadth of what we have created. This monstrosity. Okay, so this will be 4-S COL-6-M and COL-8-L, and then this will be the opposite. So COL-8-S, COL-6-M, and COL-4-L. Okay, and now if we save it, Control S, and we preview it, Control R. Well, you can already kind of tell it's working there. You'll notice that, okay, so when we're wide, notice that this is taking up 8, this is taking up 4. Crap, I keep doing that, right? Put it right on the line. Now, if I go and pull it this way, it becomes half and half. See how it's half and half? And then we go like this. See how now this is taking up 8 and this is taking up 4? And these do the same thing. They just basically do the opposite, right? So now you can see this is taking up more and this is taking up less. And then when it's over here, this is taking up more and this is taking up less. And when we get small enough, they stack. They go up on top of each other, which is exactly what we want. You can see this looks kind of crappy. We're going to fix this in a second. We're also going to fix this as well. But that's the basic idea of it. So that's what we made all those classes for. Now we just apply those just like we did everything else, just like we did with Bootstrap. And you can see now we can do all this stuff. And because it's our very own code, we can do all sorts of things with it, right? In the future if you want. So, but that's a good start. That's it for that one. So go ahead and go to the next slide.